Feeding time. Feeding time. Let's see what we got in here. Turkey giblets, ocean whitefish and tuna, mixed grill. Say a turkey giblets day. Nah, I'm just kidding. Cut it in half, because there's two of you. This is all the food we have left in the house. So, don't be asking for any more, okay, bud? Get in there. Yeah, okay. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Calm down, Jurassic Park dinosaurs. There you go. So yeah, sometimes working here can be a pain. Like this, people don't know how to throw the boxes just 5 feet into the dumpster. So, and you have to flatten them. Seems pretty easy, right? You gotta break down those boxes before you put it in, right? What the hell is that? Alright, so I'm by my car right now. I've been wanting to do this for a really long time, and I think today's the day. I'm gonna give this a shot. I think I'm just gonna do the 2 back wheels for now, just in case I need to go and get more plasti dip. Then that way it looks a little less weird than half the cars, you know. But I don't know, I like it so far. I think it's coming out good. So I'm kind of halfway through, and you know, I mean, I gotta do more coats, but I realized if this doesn't look good, I'm kind of screwed. I mean, it's only plasti dip, so I guess I can just peel it off, but I think it's fine. Well, here's the final touch. I think it looks really good. I think I did a great job. Da-na-na. Uh-oh. This is where it ends for me, boys.
That made me park way over here.
Yeah, what happened? Oh, wow.
Maple.
That's pretty old.
Oh, yeah.
Where'd you find that?
I got some guy that cleans out houses got a $6 I paid for it.
6?
Not too bad, huh?
Yeah. You gonna fix it up and stuff?
No, it's good this way. It is just what clean it up a little bit.
You want me to like sign my name on here?
Take a picture of it.
I think I will. Oh shit. That looks great. It looks awesome. Thank you, sir.
Have a good day.
You too. Take your time, boys. I don't have to get to work or anything. I'm glad I saw you guys. That would have been a little scary. This one little man. Get out the way, you silly butt. Alright, have a good day, everybody. I don't mind it, yeah.
I don't know, I just really didn't like.
Like they rap about like getting girls.
Like Buck Cherry.
Buck Cherry?
You ever hear of him?
No, is he
Heavy metal.
heavy metal? Wow. We should listen to some songs together or something.
Try to get it on the computer.
Yeah?
confidently?
Yeah, I'm trying to take some of the money you want.
Sorry, I already put you away.
Oh, that's okay. Okay, so, putting mud flaps on. I've never put mud flaps on before. I think it looks pretty good so far. Woo! I got the back ones on right now. That one was painting my butthole. This one, it's alright. Moving to the front now. See how this goes. Jesus. So that's my friend's car. Kind of makes mine look like trash. We're getting there. Final look. The front ones were much harder to put on for some reason, but yeah, I think it looks really good. So I was inside my room, just chilling, and my friend goes, "Hey, just left food on your car. Enjoy." This dude got me McDonald's, bro. What a guy. I didn't even ask for it. Thanks, man.